Hi, in this video I'm going to explain how we can click on a button using VBA Selenium Basic. So ideally, normally what we do, we get the button using different selector, maybe CSS selector, XPath selector or anything else. And then we just do change date button dot click and it does click that button. But sometimes it happens that it doesn't click that button properly and there are some other issues in that process. So in this video I'm going to show you how can we do this without clicking on the button, like change date button dot click, without using this change date button dot click. So before going to that, if you like my content, please consider subscribing. So what we need to do, we need to inspect and we need to see if there is a one click on this specific button or not. So if you look at this, then you will see that it does says that one click and there is a function, a whole lot of code in this section. So what we are going to do, instead of clicking on that button, we are just going to run that script directly and that will do exactly what we are expecting when we are clicking that button. So I'm going to show you that in this immediate window. So if I see that, okay, change date button is nothing. So let's see if it's not nothing, that means it's a valid object identifier. So that is true. Now let's see what we have in the on click event. So attribute and on click, and look at this. This is the code that we are supposed to be run once we click on that button, right? So this is the code, a whole lot code. So what we need to do, we just need to say, okay, driver dot execute script, and then we can just copy paste this one. We don't need to even hard code that code, we just need to copy paste this one. And ideally, if we click on that button, it will open a calendar. Now if we just run this without doing that, right, then you can see it's pop up that calendar. So that's it. Instead of clicking on that button, we can just run the whatever we have in the click event. So that's it for this video. And if you like my content, consider subscribing. Have a good day. Thank you.